good, y'all? It's your girl Maisha Chanel, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing something completely different, and I have a special guest. So let's give my special guest a round of applause and welcome him to my channel. Come on, Matt, let's get shouted. Hey, what's up?
What's up, guys?
So this is my friend Matt. We go back. We were friends in college. It has some good memories.
We did.
Yes. So introduce yourself. Like, what's good with you? How you been?
Oh shit, I wasn't ready for
that. We go kind of back. We met in what? My sophomore year?
Was it your sophomore year?
I think it was my sophomore year.
No, it was my sophomore year, your junior year.
My junior year.
Yeah.
Okay. So we met my junior year, his sophomore year, through a mutual friend, and we just hit it off. Like,
no, I remember you in the hallway. You were going to the mall. You were going to the mall to get your eyebrows done, and our friend invited me, and you saw me in the hallway coming to your car. You're like, "He coming?" I said, "Okay." That's me.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
You don't?
No.
We were in San May.
Really?
You were in San May.
I was that bold.
You had your little box braids on. I remember. That was the first interaction.
Wow. I just remember we used to like be goofy all the time. So I really appreciate you coming through because today we're going to continue our adventures. We're going to try. Snack crate. Yeah! This will be my first time. Your first time?
My first time too, yeah.
So we're going to try some of these snacks. Now, I just thought of this. Should I bring, like, water just in case we don't like something?
Maybe you should bring your wine.
Lit. So, we about to try these South African snacks. What we don't like, we going to wash it down with this.
$7 Moscato.
Boom, baby. This is not, a sponsored video.
Yeah, we're not. It's not a brand deal. I don't like alcohol.
Okay, so cheers to everlasting friendship.
Yes.
And South African snacks.
Wow, this wine is really good.
That's good.
Give it a whole review. So once you open up the box, this is what you're gonna see. A pamphlet that my favorite thing.
Look at it, South Africa, bitch.
So I'm sure that's what's gonna tell everything that's inside. So I think we shouldn't spoil it.
And sure,
yeah.
I'm just gonna pee. No.
Okay. No. So talk a little bit about
yes.
about South Africa and then some fun facts about it.
Yes. I'll just read one fun fact. So there is a tree over 6,000 years old, and it houses a bar that can sit 15 people. I think that deserves a cheers.
I'm with that.
Shit.
With a snack crate sticker.
Oh, cool. I'll put this on my laptop.
Some South African themed stickers, which I think is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So once you get rid through all that,
you can't even see
Maisha.
Maybe I shouldn't be drinking. I had it the wrong way, but here's the sticker. Let's continue.
So then once you get through all that, it has a wrapping with the South African flag. So once you go through all that and open it, this bow wrap. This is what you're gonna see.
Wow.
A whole array of different kind of snacks.
I love snacks.
All right, so guess
what
we
do you
get
want
started.
to try? I'm so excited. Okay.
Well, with the pamphlet, it gives a description of what it is. Do you wanna?
Yeah, we could do that. Okay. So why don't we do just the first on the list? Lay's Caribbean onion and balsam. That's not it. Okay, I guess.
They forgot a pack something.
Okay, because we in the original. That's the mini. I guess.
Okay, good.
Alright, so let's do the Baker's Original Eat Some More.
Alright.
This is a shortbread cookie that will leave you wanting to eat some more. Is that not it?
Alright, so I think we're going to start off with Baker's Mini Cheddars.
Okay, so these are bite-sized crunchy biscuits infused with zesty flavor. We've included either original cheese or fruit chutney flavor.
So we actually got both fruit chutney and cheese. So we're gonna start off with the fruit chutney.
Yeah, I'm down with that. I like cheese.
I do too.
It's banging.
That is.
It's like.
Tastes like. I know what it tastes like, but I don't know what.
I can't put my tongue on it.
I can eat a whole bag of that.
It's my bag.
Good. This isn't really a good review because we're just telling y'all it's good.
But
no, but we both know that it tastes like something that we can't say what it tastes like because we don't know what it tastes like. Out of like a rating of like 1 to 5, I give it a 4.5.
I say 4. I think this is something I have to be in the mood for.
Yeah, I can eat some, but I can't eat a whole bag of it.
Right.
I can eat a whole bag of that. Cheers to that. It smells like crackers.
I'm selfish.
I was like, that, I think go for me too.
Nah.
I don't taste any cheese at all. I feel like I just taste like a regular cracker, like a regular rich cracker. Yeah.
I don't taste cheese like.
I taste no kind of cheese at all.
So 1 to 5.
As it's supposed to be a cheese flavor and I taste no cheese, I give it a 1. The Cadbury Dairy Milk. So the type of this bar features a layer of creamy white chocolate on the top half and a Cadbury Dairy Milk on the bottom.
Here, can we bring it a little closer? Top deck. I like this. The little hat. It looks like it's in pieces, so we can each probably break off a piece. Oh, this don't look like the picture. This don't look nothing
That's
like
false
the
advertisement.
picture. I like it. Okay.
Okay.
I can eat this.
You
Want
want to
all
share it? A 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. I don't even know what Cadbury Dairy is.
But
Are these next?
yeah, so
There's one each.
Yeah.
Oh, my mama could have one. There's 3.
So what is this?
So this looks like it's toffee, flavored toffee.
Yeah.
So this is original champion toffee. It looks like this. It's chewy toffee candy featuring a flavor similar to dark molasses. Perfect.
How you bite that? Bite that!
I don't taste. I can't get into it.
I wish I could taste it, but it's stuck on my tooth.
Oh, my flossing it.
I hope these ain't the scissors I used
To cut my coochie here.
It's enough for me, dog. My mama not gonna want that.
This is not a snack you can enjoy. Guess we'll try Nestle Tex.
So what's that?
The
Where's
Tex
that?
bar. So it's a South Africans. It says South Africans have loved this combination of milk chocolate filled wafer layers and an aerated chocolate center.
I like the middle layer a lot.
It tastes like a giant Kit Kat.
I like this.
I like this.
It's getting a 5 for me.
5 for me too, yeah.
Okay, South Africa.
I don't know how that works. Choose the next one.
I know I'm putting mine, so I know it's on what side. Alright, so next is Bar 1. So this is what it looks like.
So it says it's a malted nougat with a caramel topping, then dipped in rich milk chocolate. Because it's kind of like the same.
You say Baby Ruth? I thought it was
Babe Ruth.
Is it Baby Ruth? I think it is Baby Ruth.
a Baby Ruth.
You want to break it?
I don't know why. It's making me think of like. Oh wow, this is
Different. This is the inside. Looks really.
I don't know.
What's the one? Three Musketeers.
Yes. I see it.
But I don't really like the aftertaste.
I don't like it that much.
Tastes kind of like a wall.
A wall?
Like the after. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this one.
It's good when you first bite into it.
Like, damn, that shit is good. And then after you go on.
And then it gets in the back of your mouth.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
I agree. I'll give it a 2 as well. Hopefully this one can like top off the whole box.
I know, it's the last one.
So this is a 5-star.
Hey.
So it's another Cadbury
Gucci.
chocolate bar. It's a classic Cadbury milk chocolate wrapped around a filling of caramel and cookie bits in this highly rated bar. So I guess this is, if it's saying it's supposed to be one of the best bars.
Then we maybe did this in the right order.
I guess so. Oh!
Ooh. Oh, this looks super chocolatey.
Yeah. Like I said,
It
I'm not a
looks
big
like-
chocolate person.
Me neither. It looks like
A Twix.
it looks like a
It looks
Twix.
like a Twix.
Except
But the inside is chocolatey.
yeah, like layers.
Alright. I can eat a whole bar of this.
Take it home with you.
I can do that. Tell me twice.
It's too chocolatey for me.
No, I'm not a big chocolate person, but I think because the caramel's in there.
Barely.
No, the caramel's in there. It balances it all out.
The pick out of all the snacks we had so far. What's your number one?
If I had to choose, I think that the Cadbury Dairy Milk was my favorite one with the combination of the milk chocolate and the white chocolate.
Yeah, that would be my top.
And I say for my worst, I'm
That
going with
damn
the
toffee.
toffee because
That toffee.
I could enjoy
That
it.
was a setup.
I could enjoy it.
But I think it's interesting too how they have a lot of chocolate.
They do.
Like not much like fruity type candies that I like.
And I would think, like, from like a South African country, I thought they would have more exotically, like, fruit flavored snacks.
Right,
And not,
right.
So overall, this box was decent.
Yeah.
I think for like my overall rating, I say like I'd give this box probably a 3.
I would say a 3.
A 3.
Yeah. You guys definitely have to stay tuned. And let us know how you like this video. Thank you, Matt, for coming through.
No, I just want to thank you for having me. Like,
No
this is
problem.
great.
This
Like,
was fun.
yeah.
This was fun. Which snacks you trying to take home? Because I see you eyeing them. I see you want the fruit chutney.
no, I want the Cadbury Dairy.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you again for joining.
Thank
it
you.
was so much fun. I couldn't think of anyone else to do this with, so it was dope.
Thank you. Thank you.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if there's something else you guys want to see. If you want to see more of Matt, let me know down below. And of course, don't forget to turn on your notifications. Just hit that bell so you know when a video coming out or whatever. So thank you again. We'll do our last cheers. And we'll see you guys soon.